Okay, so let's continue our discussion on the different structural design. Number one structural design is for concrete, and then for steel, and then for timber. So when we are talking of this particular course, we are talking of concrete. So concrete, there are three uh, types of materials. Okay, so we have the plain concrete. This refers to pure concrete. So, meaning to say there are no other materials aside from concrete. So, we will put up a structure, construct a system, network of elements using only concrete. Okay? What about reinforced? What do you mean by reinforced concrete? Meaning to say, we have a concrete material that is being supported by other type of material. Reinforcement. So, the material that is being used to support the concrete is what we call reinforcement. That's why the whole system is called reinforced concrete. What about pre-stressed? Pre-stressed, that as you might look at our course, principle of reinforced and pre-stressed concrete. Like pre-stressed is a major part of our syllabus nowadays, that we have a new CMO, CMO, K-12, Civil Engineering in the Philippines. Major part is pre-stressed. Beforehand, we do not have pre-stressed topic. But nowadays, this is the new addition, and it refers to the same combination of materials, very different in terms of construction and actual actual way when we are doing the assembly. Because here, actually, reinforced concrete is usually we will mix the concrete on site, okay, on the actual site of construction. When we say pre-stressed, we will mix the material from the plant, in the plant, then we will deliver a pre-molded material on site, then fix it. For example, we made columns, we made beams on the plant, manufacturing plant, then deliver on site. Therefore, there is no added complexity in terms of formworks and false work. Formworks meaning we need formworks in order to pour in wet concrete. We need what? Forms. In local dialect, that is called forma. We need forma, so that we can pour in the wet concrete. Mixture of what? Sand, gravel, and cement with water, wet, so liquefied in form, and therefore we need some forma, or in English, that is formworks or false work. Okay? We need those here. So it is very complex when we are doing this, aside from this, because we can just order. We want to order this dimension of column, then the column will be delivered. Just like what they are doing in Meralco. Last week, there is one incident in Bicotan where one electric pole was damaged, actually collapsed, okay, in Bicotan, near DOST, okay, near DOST, one electric pole collapsed due to load, okay, due to load. That is a structural problem, because the pole collapsed, meaning the structure was not able to handle the load, the weight, right, the weight of the cables, okay, the cable, okay. So the pole collapse, and what do? They have to repair it on the same day. So they deliver a replacement pole on site on the roadside near DOST office, and then they replaced with a new one. This delivery of the new one, they have the what? Stock. They have the stock of a preformed pole on their warehouse, then deliver on site. So that is what we mean by pre-stress. It is already preformed, okay? Pre-molded, no? So designed previously, we already designed previously, then do it on the plant, then deliver on site. Okay? Unlike when you are going to do that on the road, what will you do? We would need so many forma. Okay? What is the common forma material? Plywood. And then supporting 3x3 or 2x2. Okay? Okay? Oh, there are so many. And then it's very high. Oh, how much difficulty would that entail when you have to do it on the site? Okay? That is the difference. Okay? So there is more complexity when doing the actual construction of reinforced concrete rather than pre-stress. Okay? So there is a specific problem. Pre-stress is for faster. That is faster replacement. Okay? Within one day, actually, I think in hours. It did not cost 24 hours, about 6 hours or 4 hours. No? They was the pole was replaced by a new one. Okay, so last week. But there is a ongoing joke in that area. Bikutan to Bikutan, 1 hour. On that particular day, Bikutan to Bikutan is 1 day. No, right. Just from the DOST, and again from DOST, no, 1 hour during normal traffic. Okay, so pre-stress will give us an added advantage of fast repair and fast construction. Even new construction, they are going to use this so that not to disturb the traffic. For example, the Skyway, they are doing the column in the plant, they deliver to site. Doing the bridges, no? Bridges, they are doing the beam in the plant, making the beam, the plant, then deliver to site, making the bridge. So doing the bridge is just a matter of how many days or weeks. Okay? Or in fact, if you do it on site, everything on site, number of years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay? In fact, I will tell you one record that was under construction of civil engineering facilities. During the pandemic last year, China made a 1,000 capacity, 1,000 bed capacity hospital in just 1 week, 7 days. What is 1,000 bed capacity? So in this particular room, 8 meters by 8 meters, we can say that, for example, this is about 12 beds. Can you imagine 12 beds inside this room? Yes. Oh, one half of this room, 6 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 beds, another 6 on the other side. 12 beds, 1 room. How many rooms do we have per floor? How many rooms? About 20. Okay? 20 rooms per floor. We have 4 floors, not including the basement. No? Okay, 4 floors, times 20, 80. No? Oh, let us estimate 100. 100 rooms. 100 rooms times 12. 12 beds. 1,200 beds. Right? So, a little bit smaller than this. You say, this building in 1 week, because of reformed concrete, right? They already did the beam, the columns in the plant, then deliver outside. Okay? Okay? About 2 days was spent on what? On creating the foundation, soil foundation, then the footings, so on. Using so many heavy equipment. So as you can see there are about 6 heavy equipments right now there. No? When I look back at the record of Chinese construction project, they have about 50 to 70 heavy equipment working 24 hours. That's why the construction of this building would only entail 7 days. Imagine that. This building actually 3 years. And that building, that neighboring building, which is also property of TCO, about the same size of this, is more than 3 years. Because due to pandemic, no? About 5 years. No? 3 years. What is 3 years versus 7 days? 7 versus 365 days, no? Very different, right? So, this is one of the advantages of pre-stress. Okay? New technology. So therefore, we will start with analyzing plain concrete here. So that, for example, in our engineering plan, we will have what? Symbols. So these are the usual symbol for this cross-sectional concrete. So it's a symbol for cross-sectional concrete like this. Randomly put on the representation of the material, gravel, sand, and what?
Hello.
Hello. Who are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Okay. Oh, this is my daughter. Okay. So let us stop this. No? We'll see you on the next video.